Now we are going to see the question from signals and systems given in GATE 2003 from LTI systems concept. So let x of t be the input to a linear time invariant system. The required output is x of 4 into x of t minus 2. Then the transfer function of the system should be that we need to find here. So given the input and output of the system, then we need to find the transfer function for that system. Then come to the solution. So given an LTI system, this is an LTI system with input x of t and output y of t equals to 4 into x of t minus 2. Then we need to find the transfer function of the system. So given that y of t equals to 4 into x of t minus 2, then apply the time shifting apply the Fourier transform on both the sides. Then it becomes y of omega equals to 4 into, by using the time shifting property of the Fourier transform, this is equals to e power minus j omega t naught, that is 2 here, that is multiplied with x of omega. So here the options are given in terms of f, so converting the expression in terms of f, this is equals to y of omega by x of omega, the transfer function h of omega is equals to 4 into e power minus j omega 2, that is converting in terms of f, this is 4 into e power minus j 2 into 2 pi f, you'll write this is equals to 4 into e power minus j 4 pi f. So the transfer function of the system is e power that is 4 into e power minus j 4 pi f, that is the option C here, that is the correct